Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to update Samsung phone to the latest software version. So let's get started. First, grab your phone, open settings, then scroll all the way to the very bottom. This time you can find the software update option. Simply tap on their name to open the page. Then click on the check for update button or download and install depending on your phone model. After that, at the very bottom you can see download and install, or you can see recent download option. Simply tap on it and wait to complete the downloading update process. After the 100% is complete, you can make sure to your phone is battery is charged minimum 50% up. Then also your phone is connected a valid internet. After that, at the bottom right corner, click on install now button and wait to complete the software Android system updating process. After your phone is power back on, simply unlock it and right now your phone is successfully updated complete. Simply go to settings, then scroll all the way to the very bottom, open software update, click on check for update. This time you can see the pop-up message, your software is up to date. Thanks for watching. Like this video.